Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a PM lunch trade that I took, and it's purely based on time cycles. Okay, so I know I haven't come out with the indicator yet. It is coming. We're rewriting the code, so I can only use it for limited things right now. But what I did was I turned on this 30-minute cycles right here. Okay, and how this works is this 30-minute cycle, this top candle, you extend that out, that's the range, right? Depending on how it reacts around this range, we'll decide is it going to go lower or we're going to go higher. We expect higher prices or lower prices. First target would be the equilibrium, and then the second target would be the low, right? Well, I like seeing us sweeping a high and then SMT, okay? And so for right now, we had, oh, wrong one. I don't have it on here. My bad. I have to add ES on here. Okay, let's do this. Now, if you look at this, let's take this off for a second. If you look at this, here's 12 o'clock. This where my crosshairs are at. That's 12 o'clock. We did not take the lunch high. Okay, NQ did not. Here's noon. So the lunch high is right here. ES is taking the noon high from noon to 1. Not to 12:30, from noon to 1. Okay, it took that high. Okay, so this swing to this swing is going down. This swing is higher than this one. This swing is lower than this one. This one's higher. So we have SMT with ES. Actually, it should be here. Okay, that's how I do that. Awesome. So that is right with the time cycles. So we took out the 30-minute high, sweeping it. We have SMT. Now what do we look for? We look for break to come lower, right? We want to see it come down, right? So we're so close to this 30-minute cycle ending, so I kind of want to see where this 30-minute cycle ends. Okay. All right, well, that's where that is right there. Let's go like this. Okay, so let's see here. Respecting that equilibrium, I'm still expecting lower prices, so I'm going to sell right here. I'm going to put my short on. Let's put that short position on here. So high go above the high right here, and then right here, let's move this like that, and then what are we targeting? What are we targeting? Well, this is the low, the low of the day right now, right here. So I'm going to target that low. So you see where I'm targeting right there. And why I select that is because it just appears, 4 to 1 or 1 to 4. That's what I'm targeting right there. So for our trade, aiming for this low, basically, just a little bit more. Okay, so let's see. Let's move this down here to this right here. Let's do that. All right, and let's see how it plays out. Now, I'd love to see. Now I expect this to act as support. Didn't need it to just come right out through. We're going to move this way down here. We're like right here. All right, I'm not giving up this much. Okay. There we go. Take us out. Quick and easy. I'll go there, but I think this is the candle that actually took us out. So let's move this down. Just there you go. So it shows us that one. Okay. I think it goes way further than this even. Yeah. There was news at 2 o'clock. Came out, and so I should have held it longer, but I think it goes even further. Yeah. All right, let's recap here. NQ did not take out the lunch high, the noon high, noon to 1. ES did. NQ took out the previous 30-minute cycle high, and so we had SMT with ES. And so then, using just 30-minute time cycles, once we cross past the equilibrium, I was still expecting lower prices, so I entered. No PDRAs, I just used strictly this entry. You could say, hey, there's an inversion here, a breaker here. This could be a breaker as well. You can use whatever you want. And I'll mark that off here, showing you that this right here would be a breaker. So you can say that's what you used. It's fine. I was merely using the equilibrium of the range, but I'll also see a breaker there as well. Why is that a breaker? Here you go. High, low, higher high, breakthrough, and use it, right? So you have a breaker there as well, so which confirmed my suspicion that we would be going lower. Targeting the low of the day so far at 634, so that was my target. Price aggressively moved down. We moved our stop to break even and then some, and then it took us out 60 points. A quick, almost $1,300 trade in 12 minutes or so. 14 minutes. Okay, just using the time cycles and how to use them with PDRAs. So I will get this out as soon as I can, but that is your lunch trade setup for Wednesday, May 22nd, using the Kraken suite of indicators.